So I've been sat here now. So I've been sat here now for about an hour, because this is where there were some kingfishers before, and I'm not really seeing much, but I set my tripod up and everything. I've took it down now because it's better freehand. But I've seen one kingfisher about 5 minutes ago fly off down the water, and I think it just knows it's here, so I'm going to move on. I think I'm going to give it another 10 minutes just in case it hasn't done. The light's not too good really, but sometimes it's not all about getting the best quality image for printing or anything like that. It's just getting a nice image. So I'm happy, and like I said, I'm going to have an high ISO with the light to get the shutter speed up to what I need it to be. I'm going to get an high ISO. There's nothing I can do other than get a really fast lens, but I can't afford one of them right now. But I keep thinking I can hear that kingfisher. It's like a peep sound. I think it's just further down the river. You see, you get like, the territory is that big. You got to be really lucky, and you got to know where they're actually going to fish from. You do get lucky. I mean, I got lucky this morning, so I just thought I'd just plant myself down, and cause I've seen them here before, and I see what turns up, and they're just flying past really. So I just thought I'd finish this video a little bit. So you can see I'm pretty well camouflaged. I'm sat low down. Behind me there's nothing but bushes, and at side of me, as you can see, what there is. So I'm just hiding and trying to keep quiet. I was trying to keep quiet till I started doing this vlog. But I'm just hoping that they turn up. I suppose it's like I am now. It's like fishing, innit? You sat here waiting for a bite all day. Sometimes you get loads of bites, sometimes you might just get one. But it's nice. I mean, no one's around and it's quiet, apart from the motorway at the back, but it's quiet. And I'm enjoying it. And as you can see, with what I'm wearing, I'm pretty well camouflaged and well hidden. And I was being quiet till I started recording this vlog. The only thing you can really stick out is obviously my hands and my face. But you can get gloves, and you can get different things if you really want to be stealth. You can get netting even, you can get camouflage masks and stuff, but I haven't got the masks or the gloves at the moment. They're in the car. No, not the mask, just the gloves. You're not going to walk around the bloody forest, are you? You know what I mean? It's not North America or anything like that. You can pretty much wear ghillie suits in the street, but it's not me, that. So camouflage is important. I keep saying it. Keeping well hidden, knowing what you're going for. And the bird watcher, a twitcher, be dead happy with what I've seen today. But I want more than that. I want the photographs of them, and I want the sharp photographs of them. And I want, when I do get a photograph of, let's say, a kingfisher, the next photograph has got to be better and better and better. And I can hear one down there. See, I've sat myself in front of a likely kingfisher perch. And it'd be perfect if it landed on it. I could just get the ISO just okay and the shutter speed right to get a pleasable image, you know. But don't be put off. It's not hard to get sharp pictures. You don't need to read manual after manual after manual and watch video after video and reply to all these adverts you see to get sharp images. Shutter speed and ISO for me. Obviously aperture comes into it, but you can get a sharp photograph just by getting that shutter speed correct and getting that ISO down as far as you can, you know. A lot of it you can do in post-production, you know, you put it into an editing software and you can fix a lot in that, you really can. And most photographers will shoot in a RAW format, not the JPEG format. And RAW means just captures everything that your camera catches, every pixel. Whereas the JPEG, the camera will chuck some of that information away, so it's less to edit. But most even JPEGs can be brought back to life, you know, it's not had a bite yet. Just keep trying, just keep getting out, practicing. Like anything, you do it long enough, you become an expert. I think the kingfishers are down there doing a tap dance, because they know I'm here. But you know, they move up and down the river, don't they? They fish from different places. And I was just hoping if I stayed here long enough that they'd pick this spot here. I mean, when I first sat down, I was watching this bird flying away. Sorry. Stealth mode. Hello, Jason in stealth. Hiya. I'm sat in some bushes at... Where are you? Right, I want to come home then. Alright, I'll get back. No, because I've literally been sat here for over an hour now. You know, I've seen kingfisher after kingfisher, but I've not got any real photographs of them. So they're just, you know what I mean? I've got like some, but they were miles away. I even got one splashing in the water, but it was blurred because I didn't, too dark and shutter speed were too slow. So I was just trying to, I don't know, I'm trying to improve on it, to be honest with you. I wasn't coming down for them, but no, the thing is, I'm just sat here hoping that alright, I'm just sat here hoping they'll come to this spot where I am. I don't know if they will. They're flying past and I can hear them. Hang on, there's one here, fucking hell. I don't believe it. I'll have to go. It's a kingfisher just landed in that boat, in that tree. Tails of the riverbank. So I don't know what's happening because I think I can hear it again, but I don't know. Let me just show you what I'm looking at. Not very professional this. Down there, I see it lying up and down, you know. I don't know what to do, actually, I can't see. This is over there. I'm serious. I'll have to do one in a minute because I've wasted way too much time now. But it's been good. Just saw that, it's been good. I just have to keep looking at every noise. You know, if you did this long enough, eventually you get really lucky. This is what I do. This is me on my day off. I'm gonna have to go. Hope you've enjoyed the video anyway. I could sit here all day. Take care. Oh well. That's how I spend my days. Sun's come out now. ISO's gone really low. I can get my shutter speed right up. I can freeze the action, plus the light and the reflections give it a much better and pleasing image. Wish me luck.